Good morning, YouTube. This is Bernie with Christian Brothers Equipment of Kentucky. Just doing a quick update for William on his Yamaha. This is going to be the one that he did the timing chain on. Going to be a quick update for the end of his video. This is the machine running. It is very cold this morning. Sorry for the breath and stuff you're about to see on camera, but that's what we've got here in beautiful Kentucky this morning. So this is the Yamaha Kodiak 400. And she is in warm-up stage because it is freezing out here this morning. Bike's warming up so we can turn down the choke and let it idle normal. So there she is, running good. William did a great job on this machine. We went ahead and serviced this machine, did an oil change on it, air filter, spark plug, went through, hit all the grease points, did some electrical work to it. Of course, we did the new head gasket, new valve, the new cover gasket on the side when we did the timing chain and the moon key. But it's a good little running machine. It was brought in not running at all. There were some shorts in this key switch up here, so we went ahead and replaced the key switch. We also put a custom vent tube on, which, you know, before there was no tube on it. It dry rotted, probably fallen off. And this is very important because if you leave these machines outside, moisture will get in there and get down to your fuel if it doesn't have proper ventilation and angled down correctly to keep it fuel, you know, keep water out of your fuel. But overall, good running machine, four-wheel drive, everything works good. The customer's very happy. They bought it as is where it was, and it wasn't running at the time. The timing chain had jumped, so they weren't sure what they were getting. So it actually turned out very well. Sorry for the breath. It's frigid out here. We're in Kentucky this morning, and it is just cold as can be. But just giving you a quick update on this one. And you all have a wonderful day. Like, subscribe, and let us know what kind of content you want to see in the future.